welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rukia Laltia for those who don't know me, and if you're new to my channel, please kindly do subscribe, follow on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia. Yes, I know for those people who know me, they'll be wondering, what am I having today? Yes, I'm having a cooking set, non-stick set that I've been waiting for a long time, and yes, finally it is here. Yes. So for those people who are living in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, Kinondoni, you can be able to purchase cooking sets, cooking electronic from D House Vyombo, D House Electronic, like anything to do with cooking, D House is there for you. So our dear neighbors, Kenya, Uganda, and other East Africa, D House hasn't forgotten you, because D House has your backup, because she delivers anywhere in East Africa at an affordable price. Like, guys, stop what you're doing and head to D House to get to see amazing stuff from her, like cooking set. Like, she has incredible stuffs. So let's do the unpacking. Yes. So I'm done unboxing this beautiful cooking ware set, which contains 15 pieces. I'm going to give a quick description on this set. So the materials are aluminium, and then the lids are glass with stainless steel handles, suitable for all heat sources, including the induction as well. How amazing it is. And then they have 3 non-stick layers, so that means they're incredible good. And then the color, oh my god, it's a metallic rose gold, but you can able to get them on any different type of colors. And then the last thing, you can able to use them as well in a dishwasher. You don't have to worry about that. So it contains 4 pots, a smaller one, a medium, a large, and a larger one with its own lids. And then we have 2 pans. The same lid, you can able to use them on the pan to cover something on the pan. And then we have 2 coasters here that you can able to use when you want to bake something. And lastly, we have 3 cooking spoon, a flat spoon, spaghetti spoon, and a soup spoon. Thank you so much for watching my video, and hope you guys have enjoyed. And if you have any questions, please contact me on my social media platform. I use Rukia Laltia. And don't forget to follow and to subscribe. Love you all. Bye bye.